how to write your prompt in such a way that your normal chat GPT feels like a premium side of the chat GPT. So today I'll be telling you the three basic steps around how to get the most out of chat GPT manual of the free version. I came up with these three questions that you need to ask yourself while writing a chat GPT prompt. What is that is what to do, how to do, and what not to do. In the first thing, what to do. You need to ask yourself the question that while writing a prompt, what is the basic purpose of what is the task that you are going to do? Let's imagine your task is to create a email campaign where I'm talking about selling X digital product to get X amount of sales. And then you need to tell your demographics to the chat GPT and how to do that. Now, most of the people, what they do is just they skip the second step and they just forget to tell ChatGPT that how you need to solve our how you need to solve our what we have asked you to create. Now, how to do? Now, telling the ChatGPT that you need to make this email campaign or this Facebook ad campaign curious. The demographics of this audience. What are their interests? What are the pain points? What are the problems? What is the problem that you are going to solve from that? Telling all these things to ChatGPT and then asking it to get the most out of from it will make your prompt more sexier than ever. This will make it more cooler than what you could have ever thought. Why? Because now ChatGPT will not go in 10 direction and make a diversified generated outcome which will be common to most people. What you have asked, the how to, will make it more generic of what he has to do, which will make your generated output answer a more different one. The third point is what not to do. And you also need to tell ChatGPT that what you need not to do in while writing the prompt. So just like what not to do, and you don't need to add emojis in it. You don't need to target this type of audience. You don't need to make it generic. You don't need to make it sound like an AI bot. And whatever things that are including that you would not like to get it add up in that process, and you want to separate it. You want to separate it from the generic form. Type in those values of what you do not want. And again, just get a quick revision with me, like what to do, how to do, and what not to do. In the what to do, we have asked ChatGPT to create something of whatever we are thinking about, whatever visualizing our thought process of the school of thought of what we are thinking about to create. How to do, mentioning him the points that how you need to create that. What not to do, mentioning him the creating points that what he has not to do with the prompt, or what he has not to do with the common, what he has not to do with the common generated output. Using the asking out these three questions to yourself will make your prompt more and more sounding genuine, which will be able to, through which you'll be able to literally, through which you will be able to literally skyrocket or just boost your outcome from the chat GPT.